Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs based on basic science and environment. So the first question is, which one of the following is a useful functional association between fungi and the roots of higher plants? Option A, biofertilizer. Option B, caraloid root. Option C, lichen. Option D, mycorrhiza. So you can pause this video and you can write the answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option D, mycorrhiza. So mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between a fungus and the roots of a vascular plant. Mycorrhiza takes carbohydrates from the plants. In return, the fungus help the plants by supplying water and the important minerals. So this was about question 1. So you should know also about biofertilizer, caraloid root, what caraloid root is, what is lichen, so what is mycorrhiza. So you should know all about that. You can Google about all these keywords and you can read more about from standard sources also. So this was all about question number 1. So now let us discuss question number 2. Epiphytes are plants which depend on other plants for what? Option A, food. Option B, mechanical support. Option C, shade. Option D, water. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B, mechanical support. So an epiphyte is a plant normally grows on another plant for support. So it is non-parasitic but uses the host plant for support. A plant such as tropical orchid or staghorn fern that grows on another plant upon which it depends for mechanical support but not for nutrients. So this epiphyte concept is very important. So this was repeated in 2021 prelims examination. So epiphyte keyword was mentioned in one of the question and the answer of that question was tropical rainforest, something like that. You can check that from UPSC official website question paper. So you should know about epiphytes. You can read more about epiphytes from standard sources and what are the other functions of epiphytes. You can read about that. So now let us discuss question number 3. Consider the following statements. AIDS is transmitted. Option first, by sexual intercourse. Second, by blood transfusion. Third, by mosquitoes and other blood sucking insects. Fourth, across the placenta. So the options are 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option B, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Option C, 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Option D, 1 and 3 are correct. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B. So AIDS is a viral disease. The virus is called HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. The disease transmitted by sexual intercourse, blood transfusion, and from pregnant mother to baby through placenta. So this is how AIDS is transmitted. So you should know more about AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. You should also know about HIV. So how AIDS and HIV is related, and you should also know about other diseases which are also in the news nowadays. So you can read about that also. So this was all about question number third. Now let us discuss question number four. Within biological communities, some species are important in determining the ability of a large number of other species to persist in the community. Such species are called: option A, keystone species; option B, allopatric species; option C, sympatric species; option D, threatened species. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option A, keystone species. So a keystone species is a species that play a critical role in maintaining the structure of an ecological community and whose impact in the community is greater than would be expected based on its relative abundance or total biomass. So these types of species are very important. So you should know what are keystone species, threatened species, sympatric and allopatric species. So you can read more about that species from Google or basic standard sources. So you can read holistically about that species from that sources. So apart from that, you can also read about endemic species. So what are the characteristics of endemic species? So this is also very important. So you can additionally read about that also. So now let us discuss question number 5. Which of the following national parks lies completely in the temperate alpine zone? Option A, Manas National Park; option B, Namdafa National Park; option C, Neora Valley National Park; option D, Valley of Flower National Park. So you can tell the answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, Valley of Flower National Park. So from the given options, Valley of Flower is completely in the temperate zone. So you should also know about all the important zones like temperate alpine zone, and some important national parks like Manas, Namdafa, Neora Valley, where these parks are located, and what are the speciality of these parks, what are the important flora and fauna present in these parks, and what are the threats of flora and fauna in these parks. So what are the flagship species there? So is there any other issue which is important to these national parks? So you can also read about what is national park, what is wildlife sanctuaries, what is the difference between ex situ and in situ conservation. So you can read all about that. So these are interrelated topics. So that is all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel. You can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.